Today we are going to learn about one poem which is written by Walt Whitman. He is an American poet. First, I want to tell something about Walt Whitman. Walt Whitman born West Hills of New York, USA. His birth date is 31st May 1819. He is an American poet, essayist, and journalist. He has written too many poems. He has written, firstly he started with 12 poems, and after working 33 years, he wrote 400 poems. That much of work Walt Whitman had done. So, and his death occurred at Camden, New Jersey, USA, 1892. So let's start. Song of the Open Road. This is a poetry which is taken from Leaves of Grass. It is one of the poems of Walt Whitman. So here Walt Whitman described songs of the road, means your behavior, your opportunity is open for all, means opportunities are open for all, loves are open for all, happiness is open for all. Just we need to accept it, just we need to understand it. We know that we have a road, it is a free, no one can disturb you, means Walt Whitman saying that road is like a democracy. You have your fundamental rights, you have your fundamental duties, means you have to do anything, whatever you want to do. That much of freedom you have got. But traveling through a road, you will not be discriminated. You will not be discriminated on the basis of your religion, your race, your caste, your birth of place. So, moving forward, Walt Whitman saying that one brown symbol for a life, means whenever you go to any place for the tourist purpose, you will get a map and a direction showing window which is made up of brown color. So Walt Whitman saying that you have to choose the right path. If you want to go to the right direction, you need to have a plan. You need to choose a correct alternative and correct way. So next he is saying that you did not go to anyone to ask or to take something from them, means if you want to survive on the earth, you have to create yourself. You have to be motivated. You are be a motivator for others. You will not take anything from others, means you have that much of ability to convert your opportunity, and you have to continuously move from that path. During this season, you did not fight with anyone, you did not vampire, and you did not postpone your work. Suppose if you want to do some work, you have to do it today itself. Walt Whitman saying you will not postpone it. You don't have to postpone it. You have to do at the right direction, at right place. You do not have any library means you don't have to be a account book. You have to clear your account book. Means just he is saying that you need to be free. If you want to go to the path, what path you have chosen, that path you have to go with strong dedication and with a strong way. That will be a pleasant for you. You have to go without a trace, with a free-minded. That is, he want to tell one thing, and that is a democracy. You have a right, you have a freedom, you have to move like that. Now he is saying that you don't need a constellation. Constellation means you are getting stars. You are getting stars. That is called constellation. He is saying that you don't need constellation. That is a part of our universe. That is their actual position. We don't need to interact with that. Nowadays we are looking too many people saying that I will take Chand Tara for you. That is not a good thing. You have to create your own wealth. You have to create your own happiness. Then and then only you will be a successful person. Then and only you can get an opportunity. Next, Walt Whitman saying that whatever you do it in a perfect manner. You don't blame your relative. You don't blame to your loved ones. We generally behave wrongly with our loved ones and very in good manner with unknown person. That is our situation. That is our phase. We are behaving badly rudely with our loved ones and good with unknown person. That we have to change. We have to appear. We have to behave good with all. We don't have to make any description. We don't have to make any discrimination. We have that much of ability. We know that Earth have everything. He can ask anything, but we have to achieve it from the earth. With the help of it, we can survive. Next, what he is saying, you have to behave in a good manner with your loved ones. If you behave with your family, your colleagues, your relatives, they also reciprocate to you. They also behave in a good manners. This whole story is saying that your behavior, your appearance need to be a good. You need to behave love. You have to spread love. We have spent our life with our good and bad ones. Every person, we have to forget it. If someone doing wrong with us, just we have to forget it and just we have to move on and need to move on. Don't commit any mistakes. We have to spread the love with humanity. We don't have to discriminate with anyone. Life is an opportunity. We have to spend it with our loved ones. This whole story is a challenge and it is a good explanation given by Walt Whitman. Hope you will understand it. Thank you so much.